product of trouble marriage. That brings me to my topic today. These 4 categories of people, remember I said for the feminism aspect, like the feminists, it is on a good perspective somehow. Now, for a misogynist, only men are misogynists. Then for the misandrist, only women are misandrists, because this is when a woman hates men. Okay, women that hate men. Misogynist, men that hate women. Then I said misogamy. Okay, these misogamists, they don't hate men for the women, and for the men, they don't hate women. Okay, what all they hate is marriage. They hate to be married. They do everything within their capacity to avoid being married. Okay, they can date, do anything, help men, help women, but when it comes to marriage, no. Okay, so misogamy, misandries, misogynists, and feminists, they are all products of a troubled marriage. Yes. So coming to my topic today, product of troubled marriage. Feminists, though for the feminism, on this other perspective, like say from the positive point of view, okay, they are people who fight or who believe that there should be fair treatment for the both gender. So on that perspective, but there is a reason. There is always a reason. Of course, they say there is no smoke without fire. So the feminists, the misogynists, the misandrists, and the misogamists are all products of a troubled home. Now, coming to what I want to say now is that for some of you content creators who come to preach to us, these, especially those who are critically minded, attacking women, and for some that are critically minded, attacking men, my dear, all of you, you know the 4 categories I mentioned, you know where you belong. There are some content creators or some preachers, some relationship teachers here that are, misandrists, okay? Some are misogynists. Now, all I need to tell you, preachers here, go and heal. Some of you need to heal. Some of our feminists, the fact our feminists need to heal. Yes, because some of them, for one reason or the other, need to experience how they've been denied rights, battered in time past. Okay, now for some reason, the feminists, the misogynists, the misandrists, and the misogamists, they need to heal. They need to heal, more especially for the misandrists and the misogynists. You guys need healing. You guys need to heal. If possible, need deliverance. You need deliverance. That is why you see the extreme fact. There are some misandries that goes to the extent of not even having faith at all in settling down with a man. You see them having to do with their fellow women. And for the men, the misogynists, you see them having settling with their fellow men. I am saying that misogyny can lead to men considering having an affair with his fellow man. Misandry can lead to woman having relationship with her fellow woman.